of
You
the
gonna try to embarrass me in
gang.
front of your gang? That's how you treat me? You don't show me no love when there's people around, but in private, you like, Jamal, I love you so much. What's bubblegum poppin'?
So good.
Hey y'all, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, just stopping by, don't forget to give this video a nasty thumbs up before you leave it, Nara.
Don't be Banji.
Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you too can be a part of the FNTgang. And if you're already gang,
Welcome back.
today we are doing a seafood mukbang. I have salsa fish, shrimp, okra, grits, and some corn nuggets. What you got?
You got okra?
Yes, I do.
I don't like okra. I don't know why I asked it like that. I got shrimp, fried. Oh, I'm sorry.
Y'all can barely see anyway because of the lighting.
I got shrimp. There you go.
Yeah, that's much better.
I done said it about 30 times. I got shrimp, hush puppies, fried mushrooms, and a drink.
Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. We are both very, very hungry. We're gonna get into the video. We're gonna say grace and get started.
Oh yeah, I got French fries too.
Amen. Ooh, I'm so hungry. All right, I already said grace. My mouth, I'm drooling. I need a spoon for this. I'm just digging to my grits first, y'all. These some cheese grits. Why you didn't tell me you were still doing it?
Because boy, shut up.
Oh. Can I have one of your mushrooms? Do you want some of mine for that?
Some of your what? Baby, you better come correct when you come make it.
Jamal,
Wait.
don't you start your shenanigans.
There ain't no shenanigans. Y'all, I'm sorry, I'm back. I had to entertain some people. Cause you see, Ryan told me that I better keep the same energy I had earlier. And what's happening? That energy is the same? Is it not? Did it go down?
Jamal.
Did it go up?
Jamal been stressing me all day, y'all. He's been stressing me. Hold on. All right.
You can do mushroom.
Thank you. I was waiting for your answer.
Yeah. Cause I didn't want to touch it.
What's wrong with your fingers?
Nothing. I just didn't want to touch it. Then you put it in your mouth, you know?
Oh, okay.
I got manners today.
Oh,
You
yeah.
got some ranch.
I asked you, did you want ranch?
When?
Well, I said tartar sauce, ranch.
No, I didn't want tartar sauce because that's what she asked. Thank you. You're so good to me, and I love you. A lot of good things are gonna happen for you because you just did that.
Because I just did that.
Balenciaga. Why does it say made in China?
Y'all, here's a piece of fish.
Y'all, guess what? I ain't even had no liquor today.
Yeah. Jamal been showing out all day.
Not I've been showing that. I just thought I've been being a, a supportive character.
No,
I've been giving you your shine.
You've been giving me my shine by attracting attention to us.
Yeah, so the boys can see you. Don't that make sense? Tell me if it don't make sense.
It don't, because y'all don't even know what happened.
No, he said I caused a scene to have the people look at us, and who was looking? The niggas. They here.
See what I be talking about? See what I be talking about?
Oh, goodness.
A mess. This food is so good. Yeah, my grits is spot on. I should got double grits, which I usually always do, but I didn't.
And everything fresh.
Yeah. The grits are spot on. The shrimp are freaking phenomenal. They season them so well. But it's fish. Tastes like the moisture. I mean, them,
not the oysters.
Them things called the mushroom.
Oh, they season them together?
No, they didn't season them at all.
Did you send me some rabbit?
Yes.
Yay. Y'all, it's gonna be my first time trying rabbit. Cause y'all know I grew up. That's it.
That's a lie. Yeah, so yesterday I cooked, if you catch my sister Sharika vlog, if this is Snapchat channel, I cooked oxtails, rabbit, greens. My mama did some field peas with snaps. I did rabbit. What else?
Oxtails.
I already said that.
Oh, you did? Did you make macaroni?
Rice, cornbread, Sharika did macaroni, and some
Seafood pasta?
What's it called, y'all?
Sweet potato casserole?
No, but it's a casserole. Squash.
Squash casserole. Oh.
No, that food was so good. It was so good. And here we are, out eating fast food. It's so good. But me and Jamal, we're hanging out today. We got our nails done. I'm still in the process of sending everybody their orders. So, I know you received your email. Let you know that it's on the way. It's on the way, y'all.
He got a little one. I was gonna say something.
He got what, Jamal?
A little one. Oh, y'all, I got lemonade. Lemonade, so
Nasty.
it's terrible. How your food be good but the drink be terrible?
Yeah.
It tastes like water.
It just tastes like water.
It just got a little tint.
A little what?
A little tint.
Oh. A little tat. And after this, y'all, we're supposed to be going to get some ice cream. I've been screaming I wanted ice cream for like 2 weeks. Jamal went and got some ice cream. Did you ever go and get some Saturday?
No.
Jamal threatened to get some. Should we do a mukbang on that?
No, just put on your vlog though.
Don't tell me what to do.
No pressure here, sis.
Let go.
They always make the hush puppies so perfect.
Do they got the hush puppy with the corn inside?
Oh, I don't know.
Well, can you look? Yeah. Gang member. What? It's good.
Did you say you're a gang member?
The FNTgang.
I'm not a baby. Real gang.
That hush puppy tastes like a mouthful of garlic.
They don't got no corn in it.
Yeah, I tried it. I like the hush puppies that got like onion, corn, bell pepper.
Who put corn in their hush puppies?
I can't say who off the back.
Off on the top of your head.
Yeah, but they do.
How do you make hush puppies?
Flour, cornmeal, corn, pepper, onion. Make your dough. Roll it up. Ball it up. Roll it up. Ball it up. I'm screaming. But no, it's a hush puppy kit.
Oh, okay. A kid.
Yeah, they have it at Rose. They have it at any store, I think. You know, it's like a cake mix, but hush puppies. Y'all know how to make homemade hush puppies out there? And if you do, tell me your recipe, thanks. Well, you better get extra hush puppies as your side. We better get extra hush puppies as your side.
I was just gonna say I'll get hush puppies as a side. That's why I asked her, does it already come with hush puppies? So I wouldn't have to waste a side.
Gotcha. I always ask that, but okay.
Huh? Well, shut up. Yeah.
No.
This may be your channel, but I run this.
I'm screaming. I'm treating Jamal today.
Thank you.
That's gonna be the only day.
Good to me.
So we went and got many petties.
He bought me Balenciaga.
Got seafood. And Jamal's paying for dessert.
Okay.
I thought you about to say, it's for Jamal Day.
Oh. That fry was long. You saw that fry? It almost hit the back of my throat. Well, touch that dangler thing in the back.
Stop! I'm so embarrassed.
Goodness. Why?
Yeah, you been showing your little
I
tail.
embarrass you? Yeah, a wee bit. Just a wee bit. Or is that a little bit?
It's a wee wee.
Oh.
Oh, it's okay for you to say it, but I can't.
What you got on your shirt?
It look like grits.
Making a dang on mess. You're so uncultured.
You want to lick it off?
No. Exactly. Boy, I thought you tried to shove your hand in my bowl. What'd you switch yours to? What soda did you get?
A Sprite.
I was gonna get a Sprite, but I don't drink soda.
Jamal be perpetrating.
They got the good ice.
Jamal drinks soda all the time, child. I'm full. You ain't full?
I ain't eat nothing. I ain't eat nothing. It's the whole time food on my plate. You fool, because you eating everything.
What you mean?
You eating grits. You eating a fish. You ate a piece of fish? Oh, but you had a lot of stuff in your plate.
I still got a lot of stuff on my plate. How am I gonna close this? Yeah. I don't know if I got enough room for ice cream. I was about to say outfit. You got enough room for ice cream? Yo, Jamal, I don't know where he put his food. Jamal honestly eat more than I do. And I'm the one with the puffy cheeks. The breasts and all the ass. But Jamal, he don't gain no weight.
You said you don't got room for dessert? You want to go get drinks? I'm beat. Make up your mind! Make up your mind! Cause I'm getting a little antsy. And when I get antsy, I start breaking stuff. So what you want me to break?
I'm about to break your face.
My foot off in your ass?
I'm about to break your face.
Or your radio dial?
Because I don't know who the hell you talking to.
I'm talking to mother freaking Black BL4CK dinner. And what you got to say about that? Yeah.
You about to make me go in the glove compartment.
You do what you gotta do, cause you gotta go between my legs to get in there. Exactly.
And I may not get my hand back.
Won't. Snap.
No, crunch. Stupid.
But yeah, let's go get drinks. It's my treat.
But I want ice cream.
So get a damn frozen drink.
You're such an a-hole.
Thank you.
My gosh.
So what are we getting to drink?
I don't know. Ew.
I felt old because he bent over.
Excuse me, y'all.
No.
I don't know. I haven't been to the beach bars in like 2 years. And it's been 2 years.
I just thought about something.
What?
This girl that came in, some of my coworkers talking about I feel like a gross sister.
You're not supposed to be talking about the kids.
I can talk about them. I can't say no names and none of that. I can't say no description and stuff like that. But should I talk about them kids?
You gave a description. You said they look like the gross sisters.
Okay. So what you got that she blue?
You better talk to me like you got some damn sense.
Or what?
Cause you know this is the last shit I'm paying for today. So now you want to sit there and talk all your noise.
I got what I wanted.
That's a shame. Okay, y'all, I made room.
I made room.
No, cause these grits good and what's funny?
Yeah. You're a joke. But I love you. You're my joke.
The joke's about to be on you.
Ooh, her puppy is big. Why you gonna put me out?
Oh yeah, we're gonna stick with your storyline.
Okay, it's 23, right?
It's what?
It's 23
23 what?
minutes.
Oh, really? We've been still courting?
Still courting? It's so ghetto. Talking about me.
Actually, I'm full now.
I hit my tooth.
You got anything to say?
Yeah.
Alright, so thank y'all so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give this video a nasty thumbs up.
I love you.
If you like it, of course. And don't be banting. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
So you don't love me back?
So you too can be a part of
you
the FNT.
You trying to embarrass me in front of your gang? That's how you treat me? You don't show me no love when there's people around? But in private, you like, Jamal, I love you so much. Let me rub your back. Let me do this. Let me wear your shoes. Knowing you can't fit my shoes. And I'm like, of course. But now that there's people around, you don't want to say you love me?
So
you know
I love you so much that I need to wear your shoes.
Let me out the car.
Bye.
Take this wrench.